Asda Money Pet Insurance Review. Links to products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Asda Money Pet Insurance is designed for pet owners seeking affordable yet comprehensive coverage to protect their pets from unexpected medical expenses. With 4 levels of coverage: accident only, time limited, maximum benefit, and lifetime, Asda Money caters to various needs and budgets, making it accessible to a wide range of pet owners. Key features include coverage for vet fees ranging from £2,000 to £10,000, depending on the plan, as well as additional benefits like third-party liability for dogs, dental injury coverage, and holiday cancellation protection if a pet's health disrupts travel plans. Asda also offers optional add-ons like death cover and overseas travel insurance, allowing owners to customize their policies further. The claims process is straightforward and praised for its efficiency, with direct payments to vets available under certain conditions. One notable benefit is the 24/7 vet helpline, providing immediate professional advice, which can be a lifesaver during emergencies. Asda Money Pet Insurance is particularly appealing to pet owners looking for reliable coverage without overspending. And its flexibility makes it suitable for both first-time and seasoned pet insurance users. However, like most pet insurance providers, it excludes pre-existing conditions, routine treatments, and certain hereditary issues. So carefully reviewing the policy details is essential. Customers highlight its competitive pricing and solid customer support as major advantages, though some report that the accident-only plan may feel limited for pets with frequent medical needs. Overall, Asda Money Pet Insurance offers a practical, budget-friendly solution for pet owners seeking dependable coverage. If you've used it or are considering it, let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check the description for more information.